Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today I have a small haul from AliExpress and something from Walmart I want to show you. Look at this box. This is, well, you know what's in here, and the service from the post office anymore is horrid. Let's see what we did get. Oh, good. Okay, I got more. If you haven't seen these before, let me show you in pink. I got these cute little boots for 1/3 dolls, and they have a purpose for the Smart Doll Winter Fest. If you don't know what that is, you can go look at lovingmysmartdoll.com, and that'll explain it. Those are cute, cute, cute. Notice how flat they are. Oh, they're perfect, I think. I think. Part 2 isn't ready yet for those, but I'll be showing it soon. All right, let's see. Looks like I got multiple plus this. Make sure everything is out of here. Oh, these are perfect. I was afraid these would be too big. They are not. Oh, aren't these cute? And there's also, let me pour out the pawns. Oh, these are perfect. Look at these charms for dolls. Aren't they cute? Oh, I really, really, really like those. So another hit. So that's 2 hits. This is a miss with the post office, but I hope the doll's all right. Oh, and wow, those are big. Are these bigger? They seem, I guess they're not, but don't they look bigger? Oh my, let's take one out. I don't know. I guess they're the same. Boy, they look bigger though. Huh, they are the same, so hit. Well, I think hit. We gotta figure it all out, but I think hit. Oh, this is a shirt for me. Oh, I need shirts so bad. And I need them with 3/4 sleeves. I was gonna open this up and show you, but I hate tearing these bags up, but it's not like I would reuse it with a stupid tag on it. I wish they wouldn't do that. Oh, that's cute. Short sleeves. Shoot. Okay, but it's longer. We'll see. Maybe. Just maybe. But I like it. I do like it. So let's set that to the side. And then let's see about this doll. Oh, breaks my heart when this comes like this. I only paid $12 and I think it was 56 cents for this Blythe doll. She was on the front page of AliExpress. They were having a sale. They're still doing that 99-cent item stuff. Not as cool as stuff as they had at Christmas, but you might want to take a look because there are some good things. I got this Blythe doll because I could. I love these girls. Oh, come on, sweetheart, don't be broken. Her hands are here. Let's move the box out of the way so we can look at her. That's okay, I'll pick that up at the end of the video. My back is still bothering me badly today, so I am in a different spot. I bought one of these girls not too long, well, actually it was long ago, to cut her hair. I love this hair. It is strawberry blonde. Wow, this is even nicer. Wow, this is a nice, oh, that's beautiful. But the hair is coming in so choppy. So I bought one to do a video. Oh God, it's been longer than I think because it was before Christmas. Here we are, May 7th? 2024. I can't believe how time is flying. I bought one to cut her hair for a video, and I haven't done that yet. But I am kind of changing my channel up a little bit, so hopefully we will get to that soon. Let's check this poor girl's eyes since she was, isn't that a pretty face? Oh, I love these girls. All right, let's grab her string. Oh yeah, she had a rough trip, but here she is. Oh, I love these. I have 2 or 3 of these girls. I hate to admit how many I have in boxes, but on the shelf I have 2 or 3 of these, and every time I dressed one in a Renaissance outfit a while back, and I put it on her, took her to a Renaissance fair. Oh, people really made a lot of nice comments about her, and I haven't taken her out of the outfit. Then I have another one I dressed in another outfit that, you know, that just becomes their permanent outfit, and there they are on the shelf, and pretty soon you have, well, I'm not even going to admit, I don't even know how many of these I have. I do not count my dolls. Once they get past 3, it just becomes a collection. I found this at Walmart. Dory from Dory's Dollies bought me a reborn. I could not believe it. A reborn. So I found this at Walmart. Is this not perfect for Memorial Day and 4th of July? Isn't that the cutest? Just this little summer dress. So you'll see her in this. And it's Carter, child of mine. So I know it's well made. I think it was $10 even. They had a little, you know, promotional item. So that's it for my haul. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go by and check out lovingmysmartdoll.com. And please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Happy Memorial Day.
Oh, yes. Happy Memorial Day. God rest in peace every soul that gave their lives for our country, for those that signed up, that have passed even naturally, that served this country. Darren and I really appreciate them.